Okay, so here is a 2002 7.3 liter Powerstroke, and here is the Michigan Motorsport valve cover harness. So I just want to point out, anybody that is considering on using these, just keep in mind that these are not quality OEM replacement. So if you can see, granted that the installer of this valve cover gasket is about a year old. I seen the customer's receipt of this truck, the owner of this truck. So I understand that this is a year old, but you could see the installer did smash this wire when they installed the valve cover gasket. But look how easy the insulation breaks on these inexpensive or low quality valve cover gaskets. So anybody that's considering using these, just keep in mind there's a reason why they're affordable. Let me focus. So here, if you look back here, now look at this. See the insulation? That's the number 8 glow plug wire. See how the insulation just broke? It's a hard layered insulation, cheap. So I just caution anybody considering on using aftermarket parts that does not meet or exceed OEM. Now, Ford is on back order for these valve cover gaskets, but I am a big fan of Felpro. They do make a good product. Here is the part number for 7.3, and this is the valve cover gasket itself. And zoom out. This is what it looks like. This is a really nice quality replacement if you don't go with factory. And here is the part number for the harness that you will need. But you can already see the insulation to this wiring is completely different than what is on that aftermarket. So if anybody wants to go with a Felpro, this is the part number, VS50484R. That can be found. I have Merle's down here in Green Valley. I believe Bumper to Bumper is another Parts Plus supplier. Merle's also carries a lot of Motorcraft, so I've been using them. And that's the part number for the harness, CM4884. So these are about, I guess it varies depending where you're at, but it is a lot better way to go back together versus going with cheap parts. These Powerstrokes, from what I've seen, do not like aftermarket low quality parts. So anyways, I just wanted to make a quick video of this, so thank you.